Hey, welcome back to Be10X. This week in AI was wild. If you blinked, you might have missed how emojis can hack your AI systems, or how to build a full iPhone app with zero code in minutes, and crazy updates from Google, Adobe, and Perplexity, which are changing the game. All this happened in just 1 week, and we'll cover everything in this video. So let's dive into the AI world. Perplexity just made a shocking move towards TikTok. This AI search company has big plans to completely reimagine the world's most addictive app, and here's where it gets mind-blowing. They want to make TikTok's mysterious For You algorithm fully open source. No more hidden recommendations, no secret influence, just full transparency. And with TikTok under threat of a US ban unless it separates from Chinese-owned ByteDance, Perplexity sees a golden opportunity to rebuild it, this time with American oversight. Their vision is a hybrid of viral entertainment and intelligent search. Imagine scrolling TikTok and getting instant fact checks, citations, and answers alongside every video. A platform where you can learn, discover, and still binge content all at once. But here's the catch. TikTok's US operations are worth up to $50 billion. That's a massive leap for Perplexity, putting them in the ring with tech titans like Microsoft and Oracle. So the big question is, are we looking at the future of social media or just a Silicon Valley dream? Let's wait for it to unwrap till then. Runway just solved the biggest headache in AI video. Their new Gen-4 model is causing a stir in Hollywood studios, and here's why. Remember how AI characters used to randomly change their appearance between scenes, or how objects would mysteriously disappear and reappear, throwing everything off? Well, that frustrating issue is now a thing of the past. The secret: Gen 4 can maintain perfect consistency across every single shot. Whether it's different angles, varying lighting, or changing environments, your characters stay exactly the same from start to finish. All you need to do is upload a reference image, add your instructions, and let the AI handle the rest. No extra training or fine-tuning is needed. This is exactly why major studios are already signing deals with Runway. Filmmakers can now create coherent AI worlds where characters remain consistent throughout the entire video. And the best part, it's available now, starting at just $15 per month, though there's a bit of a legal battle brewing over the artwork used to train their models. The AI video revolution has truly arrived. Tag a filmmaker who needs to see this. H&M replaces models with AI twins. This fashion giant just shocked the industry with a move nobody saw coming. They're creating digital replicas of 30 real models this year, but here's the twist. Unlike competitors using fully AI faces, H&M is giving their models 100% ownership of their digital twins. Think about it. One model can now be in 2 photo shoots at once. Their human self at a Paris runway, while their AI twin shoots a campaign in New York. Models can now double their income without extra work. But wait, what happens to photographers, makeup artists, or stylists? Some industry pros are panicking as AI threatens their livelihoods. One model called it exciting but unsettling. And she's right. This isn't just fashion news. It's the future of work happening right now. Tag someone in fashion who needs to see this game changer. This AI turns any image into Hollywood videos. Higgsfield AI just dropped the ultimate video generator that's making filmmakers go crazy. Imagine this, taking a single photo and adding Matrix-style bullet time or Tarantino crash zooms with just one click. The mind-blowing part, it comes with 50+ professional camera presets that would normally require expensive equipment and an entire film crew. Unlike other AI video tools, Higsfield makes humans move naturally. No more weird AI glitches or distortions are present. It's built by Snap's former AI head, and this tool is already turning heads in Hollywood. Even Academy Award-winning VFX artists are praising its potential to revolutionize filmmaking. The interface is ridiculously simple. Upload an image, select a camera movement, and let AI do the magic. This isn't just another video tool, it's a complete transformation of how stories are told through movement and perspective. Tag someone who needs this game changer in their toolkit. Emojis can hack your AI. These innocent little symbols just exposed a massive security flaw in AI systems. Here's the mind-blowing part. While most text takes multiple tokens in an AI model, a simple emoji is just one token. But researchers discovered some emojis can secretly hold up to 21 tokens worth of hidden data. When hackers embedded secret commands inside these emojis, AI models completely ignored their safety filters and obeyed the hidden instructions. The craziest part, LLMs are designed to solve puzzles. So when they see weird data, they automatically try to decode it. This means an innocent-looking emoji could force an AI to bypass all security protocols. We thought AI safety was about blocking toxic content and bad words, but these models can't tell the difference between an emoji and a secret command. This opens a whole new world of cybersecurity threats we're only beginning to understand. Tag someone who needs to see this shocking revelation. You can now build iPhone apps with zero code in minutes. This new AI tool is changing the game for app creation. Meet Rock, the AI that turns simple text into fully functional mobile apps. Just describe what you want and watch as it builds everything. Multiple pages, navigation systems, even user login features. The craziest part, you can go from idea to test flight in a single day. Think about that. You wake up with an idea, build a complete app by lunch, and have real users testing it before dinner. It works with iOS and web apps through React Native, and zero coding knowledge is required. The AI handles all the technical work by itself. What used to take months and thousands of dollars now happens in minutes with just a conversation. This is perfect for entrepreneurs and creators who need to launch fast. With coming in of Rock, the app revolution just got democratized. Tag someone with an app idea they need to build. This AI does research 50 times faster than you. MIT PhDs just built a mind-blowing research tool that's changing how we access knowledge. Meet UnderMind, the AI that searches thousands of research papers in seconds. While Google Scholar drowns you in citations, the UnderMind actually understands your topic and asks questions like a real researcher. The crazy part, it doesn't just find papers, it breaks down your entire topic from multiple angles. Then it synthesizes a complete report with perfect citations. I tested it for an AI finance report and it was mind-blowing. No more wasting hours scrolling through irrelevant studies. This isn't about citation counts like Google Scholar. It's about actual relevance to your research. Imagine finishing your research in 1 hour instead of 50. Tag a student or researcher who needs this right now. Adobe just launched 10 AI agents that will change marketing forever. At Summit 2025, Adobe shocked everyone with their Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator. Here's the crazy part. These 10 AI agents can completely automate audience segmentation, content creation, and even entire customer journeys. But what's really mind-blowing is their new brand concierge. It transforms basic chatbots into immersive brand experiences that feel completely human. Think about this. Retail sites are seeing a massive 1200% traffic increase from AI sources, and with Adobe processing over 1 trillion customer experiences annually, these AI agents have deep insights into what customers actually want. The best part? Adobe's partnerships with Microsoft, AWS, and IBM ensure these agents work seamlessly with your existing tech. This isn't just automation, it's freeing up creative teams while delivering personalization at massive scale. Tag a marketer who needs to see this game changer. Meta might have screwed this one up and burnt the trust of the entire open source community. Rewind to the LLaMA 4 drop. A model hyped as a monster with 10 million token context, Meta claimed it beats GPT-4o and DeepSeek with 100% long context retrieval. But when the community started testing, these models struggled on RTX 509s. Repeated phrases, showed terrible memory, and broke during basic reasoning. It failed at real-world coding, writing, and performed worse than DeepSeek on long context tasks. Then an anonymous whistleblower revealed the shocking truth. The benchmarks were manipulated. With all this happening, the AI community erupted. Top accounts confirmed through their own tests that performance was way off. The reality is, LLaMA 4 isn't smarter or more useful. It's just inflated numbers with excessive hardware demands. Now developers everywhere are calling it out as Meta's biggest bluff. Share this with someone building with LLaMA models. And that's a wrap on this week's AI Madness. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments which update blew your mind the most. Oh, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Instagram so you never miss the next big AI drop. See you next week with more game-changing AI updates.